Alright guys, so of course, right before duck season starts, I'm getting ready, I'm getting decoys, I'm getting all my stuff. Sorry if you don't see me perfectly, but I've been getting ready, and then of course, something has to go wrong, you know. My truck window went bad. It would go down all the way, and I got it halfway up right now because I figured out what I'm gonna do. Well, I figured it out. Okay, so for some reason, I don't know why, you could hear it clicking going down but not up, and you could hear the motor clicking down like it was trying to do something even though it was all the way down already. And when you click up, nothing, you couldn't hear nothing, nothing was working. So I took that off, I took the panel off. It was really easy. It's a Ford F150 2006. Popped right out, and then this came out. Then I needed some screwdrivers to pop this sucker off. You don't have to. I did because I was trying to clean the terminals, and it wasn't that, or I don't know if it was that. But anyways, so I got wires here. Is all I had, and I marked one with electrical tape, marking it as negative. I got another one marking it as, oh, it's red, so positive. And I ran those two wires from the battery all the way to the switch. Now, if you look here, on the third one, and then the same thing, third one, and let me see if I can put the phone down. Probably not, but let me see here. There we go. So when you get that on the third one, then you're gonna put one on the one and one on the other, and the window will go up just like that. So if you're having this problem, hopefully you're not right before duck season like I am, and you can get your window up, because this sucks. But anyways, there's a little tip for you. If you have a Ford 2006 F150, yeah, this is the worst time possible for me to have this switch go bad or wiring problem, because I'm trying to sell the truck. So now I got to figure out why that's happening and fix it the right way. And yeah, hopefully you guys are out there hunting too.